Hey everyone, welcome to the replay if you're watching the replay. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So I just got back from the convention, as most of you probably seen the photos on the Facebook page. If you did stop by our booth, it was the CKC convention in Lancaster, PA. Thanks for stopping by. I know some of you said that you watch videos of mine or Jess's and you wanted to stop by and see it in person, so thanks for stopping. If not, check out the pictures. We did a really great booth there. A lot of people that were there loved learning about Chalk Couture. We did some demos and it turned out really, really great. So again, if you were there, thanks for stopping. If you are here live with me today now, please make sure you say hello. Make sure you comment where you're watching from, because sometimes, although I can see there are people watching, I won't see you unless you comment and let me know where you're watching from. I'm really excited to say, for some of you who have been watching, I did this map for our Dream Chalkers team, and we added 2 states. We added New York and we added North Carolina. So welcome to the ladies that joined us. I'm so excited to have you on our team. So today's design is going to be something where I'm going to show you how versatile and easy our products are. Now I'm going to be using our Grayson chalkboard. This is a 9x12 chalkboard that we offer from Chalk Couture. You can buy this right on my website, which is chalkinwithjen.com, and also, by the way, in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices, there is a share button. I always appreciate it when you share my videos if you like what you see. But this chalkboard is only $19.99, and truthfully, the quality of this chalkboard, you aren't going to be able to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or anything like that and buy a chalkboard like this, because it is usually a lot more money. So you can purchase this right online. Hi, Amanda. How are you? Now tonight's design, I am going to be using this one is called 31 October, and obviously it's for Halloween, and this is what it would look like if we actually did it this way. And this is actually a picture in our catalog, which is really nice. So if you happen to go online and you look through the catalog, you'll get to see how you're able to create things. So this would be really cool for the upcoming Halloween season. But what I want to show you is that you don't necessarily have to do that, because we have so many other fun transfers. So if you are new to the page, this is what Chalk Couture is all about. I'm doing good, Amanda. We had a great weekend. I don't know if you saw some pictures. It turned out really well. So hopefully you'll get to join us soon. But all of our transfers at Chalk Couture are silk screen reusable transfers. So again, if you purchase these right online, the instructions come right on the back on how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store, because you can usually get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. And that's kind of what's really neat about it, is because I'm going to do something different with this design tonight. If I want to change it out later so that I can have the Halloween decor, I absolutely can. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to write on the back so I know which side is the back of the carrier sheet. 31 October. I am going to peel my transfer from the backing. And I like to do it this way. So a really quick tip, when you have a larger transfer, it's always great so when you turn it over and then you peel this off, the one thing you don't want to happen is you do not want the sticky sides to stick together. So the back has an adhesive on it. So if you hear that, you don't want those to stick together. If it should happen, you want to hurry up and put the transfer in the water and try to peel them apart. So I'm just going to apply this right to my surface of where I want it. Let me see. This wants to stick right away tonight. And if you hear any noise, it's because my husband is in the basement hanging stuff. I don't know what he's hanging. What are you hanging? Can't remember what you told me. Water lines or something. I don't know. All right, so let me do it this way, because it is sticking very, very much. Just want to make it sure that I get it right in the place where I want it. This is the fun part. This is when it's fun, when you're with your girlfriends and everybody's trying to stick this. Matthew, come here. I need your help, buddy. This transfer is really, really sticky. So Matthew's gonna come down and help me. We're gonna get this right in the center of the board. I need your help to put this transfer on, okay? It's being super sticky tonight. Can you hold the bottom up? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, that was real nice. Hi. See how helpful he is? He knows exactly how I like. He holds it nice and tight. All right, babe, we're good. You can let go. Perfect. And then you're gonna smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within that silk screen area. I'm just gonna peel that back up and I'm just gonna place it back down. So this is all silk screen in that area that you can see the chalkboard through. And that is where our chalk paste is gonna go. So like I said, the outside edges, I'm not too worried about bubbles. It's just like in here, I do not want any bubbles. So I actually see a bubble there and I don't like that. So I'm gonna peel this back up right in there. And then I'm gonna put it back down. All right. Now, because I'm gonna be doing this design for more, not necessarily seasonal, but just kind of an all-around everyday board, instead of doing these in orange, I'm actually gonna use our Fawn chalk paste. My husband, oh gosh, you've been watching more videos. Well, I'm glad he likes it. That's good. It's fun and it's easy. That's really great to know. And I don't know if you saw what I posted today, Amanda, but there's a really great special on joining if you join August 1st, where they're going to be offering a beautiful new backpack for new people that join starting October 1st, and it's while supplies last. So it's a beautiful pink leather backpack. So our chalk paste, by the way, is water soluble and semi-permanent. So this goes on as a liquid and then it's going to dry as the solid. And just to kind of show you, this is what it's like. It's not going to come off if you rub your hands all over it, so you don't have to worry about that. This chalk paste is a special formula that is created in-house, so you're not going to be able to get this anywhere else besides Chalk Couture. I'm going to take our squeegee. I'm going to dip it right in there. And now all of these products that you see me using today, like I said, you can purchase this all right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com. So I'm just pulling that over the silk screen area. And then what I don't want, so I'm not going to be using where it says October 31st today. I do want the circle, but I don't want the October 31st. Now, if I get that on there, it's okay, because that's the beauty of Chalk Couture, is you can totally change out your products. And you'll probably get to see how I do that, because I am getting, it looks like some of them on the words. Now, like I said, you can go up and down, side to side. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I didn't do a video on that. I posted a picture on the page. So I think I might have sent you a picture in private message too. But if not, it's definitely on the Facebook page. It shows you the backpack. It's really, really pretty. So again, if you're watching, please make sure you say hello. Let me know you're watching. I am doing just an everyday decor product that you'll be able to change out. I'm not making this one for Halloween, even though it does have October 31st, because I'm not going to apply my chalk paste to that area. So just scraping off any excess, putting that in the jar. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my transfer. Ta-da! And I have the areas where I wanted my chalk paste. So as you can see though, what I did get a little bit in these areas here. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a Clorox wipe and I'm just gonna wipe that off. Oops. And it comes right off, because I'm gonna put something different in there. And then it looks like I had a little bubble over here. So again, just using my Clorox wipe and my fingernail. This works really great with a Q-tip as well. I just don't happen to have any down here. Q-tips are actually probably the best thing to use. You would just put it in your water. But had a little bit of bubble and I took it right off. All right, so now what I want to do, I want to let this dry a few minutes. So while I'm doing that, I see there are a few of you on here. I'm going to ask you what you would like to see. So instead of the October 31st, I was thinking of just putting the small pumpkin in there. Okay, so you can either choose between the small pumpkin. This is also one of our new transfers for Halloween. It's Halloween fun, so I could just put one of these little guys in there. Or I could do one of these, like I could do the Wild and Free, I could do the Happy Camper, Let's Explore, Let's Get Lost. What do you guys think? What would you like to see in there? I could even put the word hello. What do you think? The word hello, I think that might be nice. And then this could be a great entryway piece if you wanted to do that. So let me see who's on here. Let me know which one you think you would like to see on the design. And we will pick one. Just getting my scissors. I should have had them ready and I didn't. So this one is our Hello Gorgeous. And this is really cute. It has the word gorgeous, hello, handsome, and good morning. You could make some really cute signs with this to put behind your bed or in your bathroom. There's a cute tote. If you look inside our catalog, there is a cute tote that they did with this transfer as well. So definitely make sure you check that out. All right. Hello would be awesome. Okay. So that's what I was thinking. Like we could totally put the word hello in the center there. And it'll be super cute. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Now, just putting my squeegee in water. So yeah, what I'm doing is once my board dries, I'm gonna go ahead and continue. It doesn't take that long, but I just wanna make sure it's dry. I have my transfer that I just used sitting in a tub of water off to the side. When we're done, I'm gonna clean that up with Clorox wipes because what the Clorox does, it actually reactivates the adhesive on the back. You'll let it air dry with the sticky side up and then you'll put them back on your carrier sheets to use later. So let me write right on the back of this one. This is hello. So I'm just gonna peel my transfer from the backing, set that to the side, and I think we're okay. Yeah, that feels pretty dry. Oh, no, see, I messed that up. Oops, that's okay. Not worried about it. Let me wait a few more minutes. Actually, let me get my hair dryer. And this is another quick way you can dry your board. Use a hair dryer. Back on low, that's kind of loud. All right, I think we're good. Sorry about the noise. Now, if I wanted to, I could get the transfer back out and go over that. I'm not worried about it. It's hard to even see. So I'm going to place this transfer right in that center area. No, I think it's the O. I'm going to move it just a little bit more this way. So if you have just joined us, again, make sure you say hello and let me know where you're watching from. So just smoothing that out again so that there's no air bubbles within that silk screen area. Now I like to show people this, and this was one thing I talked about this weekend. When you see in our transfers these little markings that are within that silk screen area, I don't know how well you can see that. Those are meant to be there because it's meant to give your leather like the distressed look that you're always looking for. But what's really nice is you don't have to weed those out as if you were using a vinyl stencil. So that's the beauty of using the Chalk Couture products. So with the word hello, I think I'm gonna go with, I don't know if I wanna go, I think I'm gonna go with a brick color. Kind of keep it pretty. Boy, my brick is kind of low. So again, I'm just gonna mix my chalk paste. I don't have a lot left of this one. Mix this up so it's like the sour yogurt cream consistency. I'm gonna get my little squeegee and I'm gonna scrape it off. Super fun, super easy, you guys. Anybody can do this. And that was the beauty this weekend, is seeing people's faces when they would remove the transfers from the demo board and to see how great the products looked. I mean, you can do our products not only on chalkboard, but you can do it on windows, on wood, on burlap. You can do this on dry erase board, canvas. We have a line of inks that you can do pillows and t-shirts. So many different things you can create using our products. So be sure to check that out right online. So I applied the brick. I scraped off any excess that I didn't need. I'm going to remove my transfer. And there you go. I have a cute little wall sign right now that says hello. What do you guys think? That was easy, right? And anyone can do this. And like I said, this is one of our newer Grayson chalkboards. It's a 9x12. This was our October 31 transfer for the lines, and then I used the Good Morning Handsome or Good Morning Gorgeous transfer for the word hello. So super easy. Used our custard and our brick chalk paste for this design, our squeegees. So everything, like I said, can be purchased right online at chalkandwithjen.com. If you're interested in learning about being a designer like me, please make sure you comment info or me below. I'd love to share that with you, as we are looking for designers all across the United States. And stay tuned for this week, as I have some new fall and Halloween projects coming that I will be doing for you. And I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.